Hi folks, as you know, the A7S III is now the oldest alpha camera in the lineup. It's 3.5 years old. It would be logical for Sony to release a new model in 2024, but so far trusted sources didn't tell me anything about this, and so I don't have a confirmation that the A7S IV is really coming in 2024. And there are some very wild guesses and speculation saying that maybe the lineup is now dead, and the main reason for that is that now Sony wants to focus on the FX lineup, which is really made for filmmakers, and basically it in some way makes the A7S series redundant and unnecessary. I don't think so. Like I told you in my previous video, the A7S still has some differences in terms of usability, a bigger body, bigger grip, integrated EVF. So there are people out there that prefer to have that kind of different usability instead of using the smaller FX3. But now I got some very weird rumor from a news source. So basically there is no reliability on this and could be completely BS. But what the source shared was actually very intriguing from a just idea point of view, and I want to share it today so that we can spark a discussion if you think this would be a cool solution to somehow merge the FX lineup with the A7S lineup. And I'm now going to read the specs, but keep in mind those are really coming from not trusted sources, so they could be completely BS, but let's discuss them. That one source says basically that the A7S lineup is dead and that the FX3 successor will replace both the FX3 and the A7S III. Let's go through the specs. The FX3 successor has global shutter with a 12.9 megapixel sensor, records 4K 180p, it is fanless, it has an EVF as an optional accessory, and the announcement will happen by end of March. So this was the small rumor I got, could be probably completely BS. But what I liked about that idea is that basically you would get a camera that can work well as both as a FX kind of camera without EVF. But if you need an EVF, you can attach it on the camera and then you get some more like A7S-alike experience. I have no clue if Sony is going this route, but I'm asking you what you think about this idea as an A7S owner or FX owner, if you think this would be something that is okay for you. I found it an interesting idea. I found it also interesting that it would have global shutter. I think for a video camera having global shutter makes a lot of sense because you get rid of a ton of possible issues. While I told you that the A7 II and other alpha cameras are unlikely to have global shutter because of the small drop in dynamic range, on video cameras this makes a lot of more sense to me. But this is it, folks. If you like this video, please put a like so that I can have a boost on my YouTube channel. Also subscribe to the channel, because as soon as my trusted sources give me some feedback if this rumor is kind of BS or if there is some truth behind, I will make a new videos. See you soon, folks.